Meron, tara. Hello. Ganda naman ang nakakaligaw naman to. Okay, thanks. Cosmos Voyage. Wow. Ay, wow. Ganda, ha? The Cosmos. No! The Eternal Touches. Eternal. Hi, good evening po.
Direksyon to.
Magsasara na yung ano. Magsasara na yung dinding. Good evening. Good evening. It's so dark. Okay, so no idea what's happening, pero yung likod namin. So baka mamaya mag-unveil na sila ng mga products or show nila yung mga details ng mga products sa Globe. This is a cool intro.
It transforms how we experience digital life. Now, just who here have wine?
Yan po, hindi po yan fishbowl, ano mo ball pit, pero hindi po ano lang yan. Ay, wow! It's movie! Galing.
So find a seat and get settled behind the stage. Kindly make your way toward in a little bit because we are showcasing two different cities. Get ready to walk into your mobile app instant Wi-Fi with no installation needed. And here you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Choose your style with a touchscreen router that allows you to connect faster, receive notifications, monitor your speeds, and explore endless opportunities. Power up with instant fiber-like speeds. Unleash tomorrow with the future of connectivity. Love it or get your money back. Plug, play, power up with Global 5G Wi-Fi.
To be here with you tonight. Sobrang intimate, sobrang cozy, and to our media family friends. Isn't it parang unconventional that we are launching our product dito sa museum, a museum? It's something unconventional, isn't it? But I hope you would agree, based on what you have seen earlier, kung ano ang ila-launch natin and introduce. So we're about to share, eto yun, makikita nyo ngayon, before you. Very different for all of you. It's a fair question. So this is not just about speed. As what you have heard from Darius kanina, there was a good analogy on the art of connection. So it goes beyond technology. It's transforming how we all connect and how we create and thrive into that digital world. So whether tayong mga professionals chasing our own goals, or tayong mga entrepreneurs, di ba, na maraming ideas, or students who wanted actually to succeed, or families that wanted to cherish yung mga precious moments natin together. The internet should actually power all of us and should not hold you back. So that exactly is what Globe at Home 5G Wi-Fi will deliver for you. So we more routers kasi usually di ba eyesore. But this Wi-Fi natin is actually Wi-Fi 6 enabled, the first class specs, user-friendly.
Invite you back on stage, onto the couch, alongside our esteemed executives as well. Let's welcome them right now, starting off with our Chief Commercial Officer, Sir Darius Delgado. Please come up and join us. And warm welcome everybody sa Masarap. First and foremost, congratulations to everybody here on stage. This is truly amazing. I don't even know where to begin. I guess let's start with, can we get more than one router move up? Can we collect them all? Is that possible? Or limited lang po ba ito? Okay, but I want to know, sige, as the people behind this product, this launch, what is personally your favorite thing about this router? Sir, can you start with you?
Yes, it's the skins. Because it elevates the product beyond